Welcome to HURT, the app that provides fast and free access to an orthopedic specialist when and where you need it. Create your free account or log in if you already have a credential. Now it's time to report your orthopedic problem by selecting one of the two options. Select or enter a name, and we're ready to begin. Select the area of the body where you are experiencing your orthopedic injury. You are now ready to confirm and submit and chat with a HURT Care Navigator. We just ask you to answer a few simple questions before we make the chat connection. You are now ready to chat with a HURT Care Navigator who is live 24/7, 365 days a year. The chat will be very interactive. You will have the ability to send photos, videos, and chat freely with a HURT Care Navigator about your orthopedic injury. HURT will coordinate with top orthopedic physicians in your area, and they will contact you directly to schedule an appointment. Thank you for choosing HURT. Available in the App Store and Google Play.